Hello again and welcome to my channel. This time I'm finishing up the sculpt of a dwarf warlock with a celestial patron for one of my followers, Oofer Doofer. That means adding his head. He wants his mini to have a traditional dwarven hairstyle and joined beard, white to emphasize his celestial connection. With the general shape of the head formed, I build up the nose and brow by adding very thin bits of clay and cut them off as needed. For the eyes and cheekbones, I'll gently push into the sphere of the head until I get the shapes that I want in there. These bits of clay I'm adding for the hair and beard are not so much for the hair itself, not to form the hair itself, that will be made of cotton, but to leave lots of bumps and folds to anchor the cotton to. Using lacquer, I add these bits of cotton and arrange them carefully. It gets a bit tricky as the brush and sculpting tool get sticky from the lacquer and I accidentally pull the cotton out of place several times, but with a bit of patience I'm able to form it how I want. And here he is. I'll be mailing this guy off to Oofer Doofer at no cost to him because that's what I'm doing with this channel. Sculpting minis for people, bringing their favorite tabletop characters to life. If you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe. It's a free and easy way to support this channel and encourage me to keep doing this. And if you have a character you'd like to see turned into a mini, feel free to leave a request in the comments. Thank you.